Alright guys, today we're taking some regular crypto and turning it into Monero. It doesn't really matter what you're starting with. Could be Bitcoin, ETH, Solana, whatever you've already got. And if you're using MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Phantom, or another wallet that supports usual networks, you're already in good shape. Now, XMR is one of those coins that catches people off guard. You think, alright, I'll just swap into it. Then you spend the next 20 minutes trying to figure out why every guide is telling you something different. One says you need another wallet, another says to move your crypto somewhere else first, then another video throws in another tool. Before you know it, you've turned a simple idea into a whole checklist. I got tired of doing that pretty fast. I wasn't looking for another app, I wasn't looking for another wallet, I just wanted a bridge that could take crypto I already had and send me XMR without adding 3 more steps in the middle. That's how I ended up here. I've gone back to this bridge quite a few times now, and honestly, it's mostly because it stays out of the way. You open it, choose what you're swapping, and a few minutes later, XMR shows up. That's really all I want from a swap. So before we go any further, I'll leave the official link in the pinned comment below. There are way too many fake crypto sites floating around these days, and some of them look almost identical to originals, so always check where you are before connecting your wallet. Alright, over here I select the crypto I want to swap. Nice part is I don't have to worry about converting into another token before I even begin. This bridge supports plenty of networks, so I can work with assets that are already sitting in my wallet. Now I enter the amount, and there it is. Estimated XMR updates right away, so before I confirm anything, I already have a pretty good idea of what I'm getting back. If we scroll down for a second, you'll see the live conversion rates for different cryptocurrencies against Monero. I usually glance at them just to see where market is at, then move on. Alright, now I connect my wallet. Here I pick the network and choose the wallet I'm sending from. Everything looks fine, so I click swap. Now a confirmation window opens. I always slow down here, just a quick check, amount, destination address, network. Once all of that lines up, I confirm it, and now we wait. Okay, there we go. XMR has already arrived. And honestly, that's exactly why this bridge has become my usual choice. The process never feels like extra work. I don't have to jump between different platforms. I don't have to prepare another asset before starting. I don't have to install something new every time I need Monero. Everything happens in one place, and once you've done it once, the whole thing feels really straightforward. So, if you've been avoiding XMR because the process looked confusing, hopefully seeing it from start to finish makes it seem a lot less intimidating. If you've got questions, drop them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them. I've been using this bridge for several weeks now across different assets and different networks, and it's been consistent every time I've needed it. And one last thing before I wrap this up. I never judge a crypto service by one successful transaction. I always come back to it. Different days, different assets, different amounts. If it keeps doing exactly what it's supposed to do, that's when I know it's worth using again. That's been my experience with this bridge, and that's why I'm comfortable sharing it with you. Thanks for your time.